Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for One Piece Odyssey. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the One Piece Odyssey game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, if you wish to optimize your graphic settings, press the start button to pause your game, and then navigate into the settings at the top right corner. Now you can use your trigger buttons on your joystick to navigate over to display settings. Now you will find the simple display settings at the very beginning. You can use this to set up various different presets. At first, you can use the high preset, which will set all of the options to the highest available. Make sure that the frame rate is set to unlimited, and you should only turn on VSync if you notice screen tears within your game. If you need to customize your resolution, you will find this option within the resolution settings. Now you can save your settings and then see how your game performs with these options. If you notice that your game is not performing as well, you can once again pause your game, go back into settings, and from the display settings, you can try customizing the various different options. You can try using a medium shadow quality or even set it down to low. The depth of field can be turned off as well, and you have the option to set the post-processing quality to low as well. Turning off motion blur will also give you more FPS. You can try using the various presets, or you may also customize based on your desire. Just use this method to find the stable balance of performance and quality for your game. Once you are done, you can go back and your changes will be saved. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize your graphic settings on the One Piece Odyssey game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.